Hey peeps, welcome back. Yes, I am wearing the same outfit like I did in the last review because it was a review moment. So anyways, I had to clear all that out of the way. You guys used to me, so if you are new, I do repeat my outfits. So today we're going to be doing a review. We're going to be doing a review on the new Black Radiance. Oh my gosh. True Complexion Setting Powder. Oh my gosh. So I'm super excited. But anyways, before I forget, hi, if you're new, I'm Beauty by Deanna D. Welcome back to my channel. I am also excited to have you here because on this channel you get honest reviews. You get honest reviews. I paid for this. I paid for it. So you get honest reviews on this channel. But hi, welcome. If you're also new, the subscribe button is here on your mobile device, desktop, and also right boom in the screen. So yeah, I like the boom yeah every once in a blue moon. So we have here is the Black Radiance. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Powder. It looks like this. Oh my gosh. And then it says it is a silky multi-purpose translucent powder that blurs imperfection, minimizes photo flashback, and sets makeup for all day wear. I wouldn't use banana as a actual setting powder only because it's not going to, you know, look right. Let's just be real. It's not going to look right. But Black Radiance is catered to women of color in general, my people. So it's cruelty free, so I'm going to go ahead and give a full demo on what it will look like and etc, etc, etc. So without any further ado, let's get on to the demo. It's supposed to be their new setting powder. Actually, I've seen a lot of good reviews and I've also seen some reviews, but I have to review it. Like, I love setting powders, and this is the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. Is a silky multi-purpose translucent powder that blurs imperfections, minimizes photo flashbacks, and sets makeup for all day wear. I'm not going to test this all day, so I don't have time for that right now, but I am just going to give my review and my thoughts and everything. I'm actually reviewing another product right now, and actually it might be up before this one. This is the Maybelline, the new Maybelline, and I have it on my face right now, but I am also going to be reviewing this one, so woo-dee-doo. So this is a cruelty-free brand and it's catered to Black women of color, my peeps. So yeah. But this is their setting powder. Look how huge this is before we even get it started. Like, this is the powder itself. Then you have this nice top that it comes in with, and ooh, comes in with a nice little sponge. With these can be unsanitary at times. You don't want to use the same sponge over and over. And then you have is the secure. I know you guys are like, are you crazy? But I haven't opened it up yet. But if I did, it would be a big mess, and we're not doing that, and we're not jinxing myself. So I'm gonna pick. Now what I like to use this type of powder for is under the eye, down the bridge of the nose, forehead, and chin. I wouldn't use this as a setting powder, and this is just going to seal. But should I use a sponge? Should I use a sponge? I'm gonna do one side with the sponge, and then I'm gonna do one side with a brush. Let's just do it that way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it, like just give it like a little tap. Ooh, that is not enough. That is not enough. Okay, that is not gonna do what it needs to do. All right, it's just not gonna work for me. So I'm just gonna brush. So I'm just gonna tilt it back. It doesn't have a smell, and the sponge doesn't really have a smell either. So that's really a good thing. Sometimes powders does have like that smell to where you don't want to use it. And look at me, I'm getting excess fallout everywhere, which is so not good. Let me get a towel. That'll be better. But not saying that this product may not be good, so don't get me wrong on that, okay? All right, let's just, I'm not really feeling the sponge though. Let's just go ahead and say that. I'm not feeling the sponge. So I got the side where I would do if I would. Okay, sponge doing the most. Okay, and it does have a lot of excess. So we're not gonna go well with the sponge right now. I can't. So now I'm gonna just take the cream shop brush. I'm gonna use the rest and see how that goes with the brush. That they came out with the setting. Okay. Ooh. All right. Okay. I don't want to use too much. With the sponge, I didn't really like the sponge. Felt like I didn't get a lot of product from the sponge application, because the sponge application I couldn't really get the look that I was going. But we're gonna just use the same product brush that we used earlier, and beware, this stuff gets everywhere. So I'm just gonna blend out. No, I did not use concealer. And no, I did not use a beauty blender. I'm not a beauty blender person. Okay, it actually looks good though. Out of all the chaos that I had to go through just to put it on, it looks really, really good. Let's see how it feels. Oh gosh, it feels so smooth. Like the smoothness is definitely what I need. You know what? Besides the chaos that I had to go through to actually get it on, I didn't really have a problem with the whole finish. The finish looks amazing. I like how it doesn't look over the top. Let's take a flash photo test, because it says photo flashback can be reduced. So let's test that out. Let's pray and hope it's true, because I did not use concealer. So I did not use concealer. I went straight for the product. Okay, let's see if I can. Okay. I don't know, Black Radiance. You may be fibbing, because let's just post the picture of the sponge. Would do. Okay, I am actually taking the product and I'm also just blending it out, making sure that I'm gonna come right back, and I'm going to definitely set my whole entire face and, you know, finish my makeup process and tell you guys how I feel about it at the end. The complete finish of the powder itself, it makes my skin look very, very awake, and it makes my skin also look very, very soft and smooth, because it feels very, very smooth, and I just love how everything turned out. So this is a good product. On the scale from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it an 8. Enjoy this video, give this video a massive thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I will see you soon.